What's up, guys? It's Camera Code Dance Affiliate. If you don't know who I am, I'm a YouTuber, dance coach, pro dancer, Michael Jackson impersonator, and all the above. Make sure you like and subscribe. Well, anytime in your life, you're going to have a group of friends pull you out on a dance floor to dance at a party or at a wedding. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 basic steps that you can do so that you won't look dumb on the dance floor, not look like a fool or a dancing clown and be the talk of the town. Growing up, I used to be intimidated by party dancing and dancing at parties and weddings. It took me a long time to get out of my own way. Let's get into the video. Things that you don't want to do. You don't want to do one of these. One's the reason you don't want to look too cocky and scare everybody away. And you don't want to do one of these. That's another way to look dumb and probably have the whole party laughing at you. So the first thing I'm going to teach you how to do, I'm going to teach you how to boogie. You don't have to be a pro, and this is really good for beginners. So boogie, all you're doing is a really easy basic step. Just step side to side like this. Step together, step together. Pretty easy, right? When you step side to side, you want to step to each clap in the song. So like boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap. By doing this, it helps show that you have a little bit of rhythm. All right, now that you learn that, we're gonna go learn the boogie square. So you can do the boogie step into a square. You step back together, left together, front together, and right together. And keep repeating it. Let's do it again. Back. 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. All right, third thing you want to do, every time you step to the right, you want to lean your shoulders back. So as I'm stepping to the right, I'm leaving my left shoulder back. And when I step to the left, the right shoulder goes back. Just like that. Put a little bounce into it. As I'm stepping side to side. This is show how you relax. You want to be like this with your shoulders up. So everybody put your shoulders up and put it down. Take a deep breath. And now you're relaxed. Just steps side. Put some shoulders back. Just like that. All right, fourth, we're gonna actually use our arms while we do this as well. And there's a lot of different things you can do with your arms. So as I'm stepping, I can bring my elbows up, put it up to the side. This might look a little bit too basic, so you might just want to hold your heart like that. Raise the roof, point. This is what gets everybody going. Why doing a boogie square? All right, in the fifth step, you can step back. Do a cross back while you do it, like a Michael Jackson Temptations vibe. Jackson 5 is swaying the arms left and right. You can also do this in the boogie square. In conclusion, there you have it. Nice dance boogie moves for beginners to help you be relaxed and have fun on the dance floor and not worry about people making fun of you at the end of the night. Dancing at a wedding and party can sound intimidating at first, but once you get on the dance floor and get out of your own mind and body, you have a lot of fun. There's a lot of ways you can have fun also by doing dance slides. If you want to learn any dance slides, comment below. Also comment below and say you subscribe. I actually answer all the comments, unlike most YouTubers these days. If you want to learn some dance slides, let me know and I'll leave that in the description below as well. Cameron Cole, the Dance Affiliate. Stay blessed and keep dancing.